2026, Ezekiel Chama Joki, and electrical works, valued at Kenya shillings 41 million.
Having appreciated all the circumstances of the case and also the nature of the offences which are facing the accused person, which I might still insist are misdemeanor, I do believe the accused person is deserving of reasonable bond terms, and I'll hereby direct as follows. The accused person is hereby granted a personal bond of Kenya shillings 100,000. He will also avail one surety to give a personal recognizance of a similar amount. We can have the defense counsel supplied with a copy of the charge sheet, the witness statements, and all other documents that the prosecution is relying upon.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the court for the wise ruling that has been delivered today concerning Mr. Speaker, sir, Ezekiel Chama. He has been released on personal bond terms, meaning that he's free to go home without paying anything. And finally, the devil has been ashamed.